Hey, what's up? It's your girl Key. Thanks for clicking on me. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My channel is all about making money online, where I review top IT and cloud-based products. I also give you tips and tricks on how to make money online. So if you are interested in making money online, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel. Me and you, we are on the road to success. Today I am presenting you with this product called Product Launch 2022, created by George Villa. He is going to show you his secrets on how he has successfully created courses and scaled those courses up to $34,000 per year. Yes, you heard that right. If you're interested in taking a leap of faith, doing something different, or just becoming your own boss, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel, because I will be giving you the insight of the members area, showing you what's inside this product, showing you what he has to offer, and I will also be giving you absolutely free bonuses to help scale your new online business. If you think this product is for you, this course is for you, make sure you stay to the end, because I'm pretty sure you will not want to miss a thing. Let's get into this review. Offer, so we have 4 days left, so be minded of that. 4 days left. Let's get into these bonuses. Bonus number 1 from your boy Jonah Armstrong. Get access to Backlinks Warrior just only for the first 24 hours only. So if you miss the first 24 hours, then you cannot get this. Now we have bonus number 2. This is learn how to get better conversions, guys. Okay, you know when you have like traffic. Okay, traffic is awesome, but traffic is not awesome if they do not convert. Okay, so learn how to get better conversions. Right here we have bonus number 3. Learn how to explode your YouTube channel, guys. So if you have a YouTube channel, or if you started on YouTube, you're going to know exactly where to go and how to do it, how to utilize YouTube to make the best of your buck. Okay, now we have bonus number 4. This is the VIP pack, baby, from me. Don't forget, this is at limited time only, so we have like 4 days on that timer. Yes, when that timer hits 0, you will not be able to get this. So just keep that in mind. So this is 60 plus different softwares and underground techniques to learn how to create a bigger profit with your with proper training from Jonah Armstrong and Brendan Mace and more of the top vendors, guys. So we have things to scale your traffic, and we have things to maximize your email list. It's just a whole bunch of things you can use to utilize and give away as freebies while you are creating and building your own online business. And then we have bonus number 5. This is all the vendor bonuses, vendor bonuses that they have to offer from this product launching. Okay, don't forget, this is a limited time only. If you are interested in my bonuses, make sure you come over to my comment section and hit up that link, or I'm gonna have it in my description. So you're gonna have 2 ways to get these bonuses in this product. Let's go over to the sales page. Okay, right here, this is the sales page. Offer up, it says, let me show you how I make $34,000 per year by creating micro online courses that only takes 3 hours to complete. So that's less than a day of work. Like, bruh, I remember those 9-hour shifts, those 12-hour shifts, and like, bruh, you only this is a 3-hour shift, bruh. Wait, what? This is crazy. Okay, so over here on the right hand side, this is some of the things you may be interested when it comes down to this product and what it has to offer. So right here it says product launching 2022 brings you the way to increase your mail list the proper way. Learn how to launch your own products. Use the tools I've created along the years and I'm offering you for downloading. Learn how to create a product and the things that you need to take care of. Increase your online reputation so every future action has the right payback. Okay? So he's basically saying making sure that you do the right steps so you will get something back in return. Like, make sure you do everything, like put out your link a proper way, and so you could get like a commission in return. Take actions and ideas from the 3 interviews with the monster vendors that I set ready for you guys. So he has collaborated with 3 other top vendors who have been doing the same thing that he is doing. He's going to teach you how to do it. And this is all covered by a 30-day back money guaranteed. Okay, we got some income proof right there. All right. These are the guys he's talking about. So we got Mark Gray, we got Fargo Dowens, and we have Cam Jennings, guys, aka Cam Fats. I don't know if I butchered their names, but I know I've seen these 2 guys a lot. So I've seen these 2 guys a lot. I'm not really just familiar about him, but I've seen these 2 guys a lot in the vendor field, okay, on Warrior Plus and JV Zoo. So right here it says list of Facebook groups for promoting launches. The exact list that I use when I'm launching a product. You can also check your partners and competitors, see what they are up to. Then we have number 4, math tools, sales simulator. Want to know how many units you will sell? Launch investor calculator. Get the best price for your upcoming launch and see how much you will learn. Then we have number 5, to-do list. What things do you need to know when launching with this list? You will not forget anything. And then we have number 6, 30 swipes for 30 weeks. I know people who struggle with sending emails to their list. This is an exact follow-up series that I built myself for people to trust you. This is not done in 3 days. This is a long journey. But before 30 weeks or even before, they'll love you. So some people do struggle with sending anything, like putting out content. People do struggle with that. Like, I remember when I first started, I was struggling. So, but you get used to it when you start to veer off. You're like, yeah, this is what I'm about to do for the rest of my life. So videos on how to use everything, guys. So that's some of the things you'll be knowing or getting to learn inside this course product, guys. I have this video right here on my bonus page that I just went to, and you can totally watch it. Just go to my comments or in my description and just hit that link and you can go watch that video. I want to find some of the bonuses. So this is the stuff you're going to have inside. So you got the full training, you're going to have the interviews, tools I use, to-do lists, swipes, and bonuses, okay? And this is all backed by a 30-day back guaranteed. What is this, the bonuses? Plus, if you order right now, you'll get these 5 bonuses for free, baby. Okay, I totally missed this whole title. I'm like, is this a bonuses? Because it look like some bonuses. So I'm like, inbox equalizer reloaded. So right here, with this, you get all the information and training you will need to maintain your list healthy. You will need to know how to get more leads and how to keep your emails out of the spam box. So he's going to show you how to whitelist your emails and stuff. Tool booster, you're going to be surprised not just about the tools itself, but the complete training about how to elevate your YouTube channel to new levels. Then we got Urgency Site Pro, direct access to amazing tools, so easy to handle that doesn't even need any instructions. Awesome. Then you got Jacking Master. I wrote this software myself. This is going to help you if you are devoted to launch jacking, and maybe it can bring you a couple of ideas about how this kind of product works. And then you got the 15-minute live call from your boy himself. All right, we're gonna go right inside the product analysis. We already went over the sales page and my bonuses, so I already been in here scrolling through and see what he got in here. So you're gonna have different sections at the top. Okay, so we got the resources, you got free design course, practical for newbies, and then you got the free video training. You got the products, so you got the launch jacking and techniques, online tools, video tools, pre-design elements, and then you got some coaching, and then you got contact, so that's help support. All right, guys, so right here, he is leading you to join the Facebook group in this green button right there, boom, boom. And right here, these are the videos, these are the coachings, which you're going to have to go through step by step. So the coaching he has to offer. So we have product launching redeem page, chapter 1. We have chapter 2, planning the copy for the sales copy using AI to write the content. And that is 9-step technique for copywriting. Then we have like chapter 3. This is getting traffic, type of traffic, JV page, and launching day. Then we have chapter 4, final launching steps, technique, and what to do to improve your sales. And we have chapter 5, after launch and conclusion. You got the interviews of those guys who is like killing it in the online business, marketing, and creating their own softwares and own course. So these are their interviews right here. Time we have 27 minutes, 36, and then we have 14. So they're not super duper long. And then we have the resources. You're going to have your email swipes, to-do list. These are videos right here. As you can see, there's going to be a link. And you have list of Facebook groups for promoting launches. You have Sales Simulator, Launch Investor Calculator, swipes for 30 weeks, to-do list, questions for interviews, PowerPoint of all the explanations, and you will need a password to open the resources files with all of the assets. So it says ask for it at georgevilla.com. So that's the email. So he making sure you got to go through him, period. So this is all the stuff you're going to have right here. Let's load and see these products, these launch jacking techniques. Okay, so you got some launch jacking techniques. You got some magnetics, new secret, find hacks, unlimited sales through Facebook. Then you have unlimited traffic. You have lead storms. You have multi Saki fits. You have perpetual income 360, Wi-Fi profit systems. You have AdSense engine affiliate maniac, and then you have wallet warmers. You have a lot of products, launch jacking and techniques. Okay, so you have a lot of products when it comes down to this right here. And you have your online tools. And here's all your online tools. You have Click for Traffic, SEO Rocket, Closer Copy. You have Link Stream, Send Chat, Traffically. Okay, you have a lot of stuff in here, guys. And you have video tools to help you record, edit, etc. Okay, you got VidPerk, TubeBuster, Jacking Monster, VidTune. You have a lot more, guys. You have pre-designed elements. And this is just filled with a lot of different resources, guys. And don't forget, you have free design course and you have free training videos. So this is all the stuff you will be getting, and on top of that, you will be getting all of my super duper insane bonuses for free. And don't forget, the front end price is just at a small price of $12.95, guys. So make sure, if you're interested in just starting your online business is only a $12 investment. This your girl Key. Thanks for clicking on me. See you in my next review.